This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make study music videos for YouTube. First, begin by planning your video's core concept. Decide on a visual theme, like a rainy window or a peaceful library, to set the mood. Next, carefully choose instrumental background music that is royalty-free and conducive to concentration. Consider tracks with gentle melodies or ambient sounds. Finally, establish your desired video duration, which commonly spans from 30 minutes to several hours, ensuring a consistent and calming experience for viewers. Now, let's move on to creating your content. For visuals, either film your own high-definition, steady footage, or select compelling stock videos or images that align with your theme. Remember to prioritize visual quality and consistency. Simultaneously, gather your audio elements. This includes your main instrumental music, ensuring all tracks are legally cleared for use. Additionally, consider adding subtle ambient sounds, such as a gentle rain shower or a distant fireplace, to enrich the overall atmosphere. With your assets ready, it's time for editing and production. Utilize video editing software to bring all your elements together. Carefully layer your chosen visuals, instrumental music, and any ambient sound effects. Focus on creating seamless transitions between video clips and ensuring the audio levels are balanced and consistent throughout. You might also consider adding a simple, non-distracting text overlay, perhaps a "study with me" message. For a personal touch, aim for a polished, professional final product. Finally, prepare your video for YouTube and optimize it for reach. Export your completed project in a high-definition format, ideally 1080 pixels, for the best viewer experience. Craft an engaging title, a comprehensive description, and a set of relevant keywords or tags to help people find your video. Don't forget to design an appealing custom thumbnail. It's often the first thing potential viewers see and can significantly impact click-through rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.